Once upon a time, in a luscious green forest, there lived a little rabbit named Bunny. Bunny was known for his sparkly eyes and friendly smile, which never failed to make the other animals in the forest feel better. But there was one thing Bunny loved more than anything else: painting. Every morning, Bunny would hop around the forest, gathering colorful flowers, leaves, and berries. He'd mix them up to create the most vibrant natural paints and spread his joyous art across old tree trunks and smooth stones. Bunny's art was so lively that it sometimes seemed to dance in the gentle breeze. One sunny afternoon, Bunny found something quite extraordinary while hopping near the great oak tree. He uncovered a shiny object buried under some fallen leaves. It was a paintbrush, but not just any brush. As Bunny held it, he felt a pleasant tingle run through his little paws. The paintbrush sparkled under the dappled sunlight. It was a magic brush. Bunny couldn't help but wonder about the remarkable brush. Excitedly, he began experimenting. Wherever Bunny painted with this new brush, the colors seemed to leap out of the picture, bright and vivid. A few days later, a distressing roar echoed through the forest. It was Leo the lion, king of the forest, who had a terrible thorn stuck in his paw. All the animals gathered around, worried and helpless, for they did not know how to assist the mighty lion. Bunny, seeing the lion in discomfort, had an idea. He remembered the magical paintbrush and pondered over what picture might make Leo feel better. Using the brush, Bunny started painting near the edge of the forest. He painted a soothing picture of a clear blue lake under the bright sun, with cheery fishes leaping about playfully. As Leo looked at the painting, it seemed almost real. The calming effect of the scene made Leo relax, and in that moment of tranquility, clever little Bunny, with his agile paws, managed to gently remove the thorn from his paw. The animals cheered and sang praises for Bunny's cleverness and for the wonderful magic brush that seemed to have the power to create more than just beautiful art. It brought peace and happiness to those in need. From that day forward, Bunny continued to paint with his magical brush. He painted scenes across the forest to ensure every corner was filled with joy and serenity. It was said that the magic brush brought peace, unity, and a spirit of friendship to the forest. And every night before sleeping, Bunny would tell the tale of the magical brush that saved Leo the lion. The forest creatures would drift off to sleep feeling safe and happy, embraced by the tranquility that Bunny's art had woven into the very heart of the forest. Thus, Bunny and the magic brush became the most cherished legends in the forest, a story passed down through generations, illustrating the power of creativity, kindness, and courage.